What acute angle do the hands of the clock form at 8:45? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So we will use two solutions in solving this. So we have direct formula and then the other one we just draw the 8:45 on the clock. Okay, so let's draw the 8:45. So our reference here will be the 8 o'clock. Will be the 8 o'clock. So we start with 8 o'clock. So when it's 8 o'clock, so the minute hand is at 12 and then the 8, the hour hand pointed at 8. Okay? So at 8:45, so let's draw the 8:45. So 8:45, the minute hand is pointed exactly at 9. And then the the hour hand will move 45 over 60 because 1 hour or one revolution is 45 minutes. So we will divide 45 by 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay? So therefore, this hour hand moves 45 over 60 or reduce this to lowest term, divide both by 15. So that is equal to 3/4. So therefore, yung hour hand natin, so divide natin ito from 8 to 9. So let's divide this into 4. So this is half and then another half. So therefore, the hour hand will be pointed at this. Okay? So this will be the drawing for 8:45 and we want to find this angle. Okay? So find this angle. Okay? So to find this angle, we know that one revolution is equal to 360 degrees. And we have 12 numbers in the clock, 1 up to 12. So 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30 degrees. So that means from 12 up to 1, or the degree measure of one from one number to another is 30 degrees. Therefore, from 8 to 9, we have 30 degrees. And we want to find this. So as you can see, we divide this from 8 to 9 is 30 degrees. So let's just divide this by 4. So therefore, the degree measure of this 8:45 is equal to 30 degrees divided by 4. Okay, so when we divide 30 by 2, that is equal to 15. And then divide again by 2, that is equal to 7.5 degrees. So therefore, the answer is letter B, 7.5 degrees. Or another solution for this, we have direct formula. We have direct formula for finding the angle between the given time 8:45. So the formula for that, theta is the symbol for the acute angle. So the formula, we have absolute value of 60h minus 11m divided by 2. Okay, so this is the direct formula for finding the acute angle between the given time. H is the hour and m is the minute. Okay, so let's just substitute. So we have absolute value of 60 times h is the hour, so we have 8. 60 times 8 minus 11 times the minute is 45. So 11 times 45 and then let's divide by 2. Okay? So let's do mentally this. 60 times 8 or 6 times 8. So we have 48. So just add copy the 0, 480 minus 11 times 45. So we have 45 times 11. So 45 and then another 45. So the answer is 495. So 480 minus 495 divided by 2. So we take the absolute value, 480 minus 495, that is negative 15. But we have absolute value, so that will become 15. 15 degrees divided by 2. So we got the same answer. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 degrees, letter B. Follow me for more content like this.